So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in local security policy. Click on it, and now this will come up. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to expand local policies. And now you want to click on user rights assignment. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once we're on this, you want to open up access this computer from the network. Double click on this. Once we're here, this will let you control which user or group can access your computer from the network. You want to click on add user or group. You want to type in the name of the user that you want to allow access to this computer from the network. For me, I'm going to allow everyone on my network to access the computer. So for me personally, I'm going to type in everyone. Once you type in the user, or just everyone if you want to do the same as me, then you want to click on check names, which is now going to underline it. Now you want to click on OK. You should now be seeing the username in this list right here. I already have it as everyone. Now you want to click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.